Oh, you're still here. Good. Hey, you cunts, welcome back to my kitchen. This week I'm making a very simple but good recipe. If you showed up to my channel and you're looking for complex or even good recipes for that matter, you should go fuck off somewhere else. That's not how we do shit around here. We're a bunch of dumb, illiterate fucks, and we like to cook shit, eat shit, and fuck shit. Literally. I know you guys are too fucking retarded to follow anything more complex than this, so I act accordingly on this channel. Anyway, let's get to it.
Okay, grab yourself some fucking ground beef in a piping hot pan. You know, you want the organic stuff? No, I think the Dollar Tree sells it. Just go get it there. Yeah, chop it up like the fucking bodies of your enemies. Chop, chop, chop. That's fat. It's gonna separate. Don't drain it, or I'm gonna kill you. Use a bunch of questionable red powder, aka paprika. And of course, chop it, chop, chop, chop. Some Jewish seasoning. That's all they use, I think. Use all the cumin you have, and fucking go get violent with it. Bunch of fucking onions. Keep the vampires away. Keep everybody in check. Adds a nice slimy texture as well. And the return of the secret aardvark sauce. There it is again. Wanted to show you twice. Chop, chop, chop. And if it gets a little dry on the bottom, you can use a little bit of water. And so that kind of deglazes. You can use a little bit of white wine if you're going crazy. If you're a middle-aged white lady. And that good old Colby Jack cheese. Turn into a little bit of a stovetop casserole. Doggy wants some because she's a fucking idiot. Won't leave me alone. There's some pretty cool little zoom in effects because you're bored. Chop some heads of lettuce like we did to the fucking Nazis back in World War II. Chop, chop, chop. Lots of chopping in this recipe, so I guess be prepared for that. Haphazardly throw it all onto a plate. And more camera effects. Throw the fucking meat onto the, hot meat onto the lettuce. I would probably let it cool down or just eat it right away like I did. Because I'm a fucking fat savage. Of course, more hot sauce on the top, whatever kind you like. And some cream of some young guy to seal the fucking deal. Okay? Looks pretty fucking good to me.
There you go, people. A recipe that's so easy that it won the award for recipes that TheBear's audience will actually fucking do, instead of sit there and make fun of his fucking hair. People keep saying, "What? Your hair looks like you just rolled out of fucking bed." Well, at least there's someone in my fucking bed, you jackass. This recipe doesn't have to be a fucking salad. You can put some chips down, sprinkle a little bit more cheese on it, or grind up your fucking neighbor's dog and throw it in the mix. I don't give a shit. Anyway, I'm not going to ask you to like, subscribe, comment, because let's face it, most of you haven't made it this far into the fucking video. So for the two of you who stuck around to the end, have yourself a great fucking day, get your bitches out of the kitchen, and I'll see you later.